Fun fact, everyone. Urgot is the first champ I got a penta kill with. Oh, hail Lord Urgot. Poke. Yeah. That was easy. No, 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 no. Ooh, heal beat. Nice. Goodbye. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Time to be a sneaky. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky away. Oh, come on. Okay, I'll go. Run away! Nope. Sorry, kid. Ain't killing me. Ah. Yeah. Good job, Easy. Good job, Easy. Oh no! Fucking Teemo. I'm gonna die. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck you. You you put your toe out of line, I fucking kill you. Fuck you, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. Goodbye. Good game. Woohoo! That was fun. All hail Lord Urgot!